2023 Sony BRAVIA XR TVs have a new game menu to help you get more out of your gaming experience. The game menu is only available when you're in the game picture mode. To access the game UI, press the menu button on your remote. You will see all the available options appear. VRR, or variable refresh rate, will make your screen much smoother as long as you have a compatible game and game console. It virtually eliminates screen tearing. Motion blur reduction also benefits game motion, but you can't use it with VRR because this will use additional processing. Black Equalizer can be left off or set to low, mid, or high. This will raise the shadow detail in darker areas, making it a little bit easier to see what is in the shadows. The next two options are the crosshairs. The first one allows you to turn on persistent crosshair in the middle of the screen. The second option will allow you to customize the crosshair by changing the color or the style. With screen size adjustment, you can actually scale down how much of your screen is used for your game playing. With multi-view, you can now use two separate screens at the same time on your TV. Game on while watching a walkthrough or a tips video on the other.